Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome to those of you watching on onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, a day after Nestor Bigger Crime Morrison met his demise in Longville Park, Clarendon, residents are expressing shock that a fugitive had been living among them.
Police say Bigger Crime had been known to incite fear among residents in 11 Miles Bull Bay, where he was from, but he took on a different persona in the middle-class neighborhood.
Now, TVJ News understands that there were 2 females in the house where he lived. They have since been taken in for questioning.
Anthony Lugg has this Primetime News follow-up.
I'm hurt. It has become to be a trend for criminals to hide out here.
Acting President of the Longville Park Community Development Committee, Alfonso Lewis, reacting to news that Nestor Bigger Crime Morrison was hiding in the community. Morrison, one of the country's most wanted fugitives, was shot fatally during an alleged confrontation with the police Wednesday afternoon. Residents, though relieved, remain concerned because it's not the first wanted man who've sought refuge in their community.
It's the second wanted person since I've been here that was found in that space.
These persons are not residents of Longville Park. These are immigrants. So we need to take it back. We need to let them know that this community belongs to the residents. It belongs to the JCF. It belongs to the Jamaica Defense Force. Those are the residents of Longville Park.
There have long been concerns about migrating criminals in quiet communities across the island. Commanding Officer for Clarendon Superintendent Carlos Russell addressed the issue while speaking at the municipal meeting on Thursday.
Most of the persons that live there, work out, and you have a lot of persons that are subletting their properties also. So you will find that persons will infiltrate these communities and come in, because they're always looking for communities like these that they can come in and just blend in.
Meanwhile, this recommendation from the Citizens Association to its members.
You rent a property to someone, ask the police to go and welcome them to the community. There's no harm in doing so. Let them go and welcome them to the space. Let them know where the station is located, the contact number for the station, and reassure that new resident that in case of any emergency, they can always call on them.
The police are also renewing calls for residents to partner with them. Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.